What are you doing?
Don't. This is the shocking moment.
Stop resisting.
When a Louisiana middle school teacher was removed from a school board meeting in handcuffs.
Sir, hold on. I am way smaller than you.
Earlier in the evening, Daisha Hargrave questioned the superintendent's $38,000 raise when teachers hadn't seen a pay increase in nearly a decade.
I feel like it's a slap in the face to all the teachers, cafeteria workers, and any other support staff we have.
But she was cut off.
Stop right now.
Ruled out of order by the school board president, saying the session wasn't meant for questions. A city marshal soon intervenes.
You're going to leave, or I'm going to remove you.
Do not.
Several audience members start recording as the visibly shaken teacher is escorted out of the room.
Just put her in handcuffs.
Off camera, Hargrave ends up on the ground in cuffs.
Do you feel safer, officer, that I have handcuffs on? What did you think was going to happen?
Hargrave was booked into the city jail on resisting an officer and remaining while forbidden. NBC News has reached out to the school district as well as the superintendent and the board president, but did not get a response. No charges will be filed. Board member Kibby Paulette spoke to us over Skype.
Why would they arrest her? She didn't disturb the meeting.
Tonight, Hargrave likely has more questions about how she was treated. Tammy Leitner, NBC News.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.